Welcome back to Geek Muster. Today you will learn how to turn off restricted mode on YouTube. It's a different process depending on what device you're on and whether you are using the app or not, so I will demonstrate it in every way for you. Note that when you activate or disable restricted mode, it will only take effect on that browser or application, not on every browser or application you are logged into. Before we begin our tutorial, please subscribe to Geek Muster for latest tech tips and trick videos and tutorials. Step 1. This is how you do it on the desktop version if you are logged into an account. You just want to click on your profile image in the top right and then scroll down to the bottom and you will see an option for restricted mode. You can toggle it on and off. Step 2. If you are using desktop but are not logged in, it's a little different. At the top right of the screen beside the sign in button there is a settings button that looks like 3 vertical dots. Tap on that. You can then access restricted mode options from the bottom of the list. Step 3. Let's jump onto mobile now. If you are using the mobile website, it's different again. Tap on your profile image to bring up the options and then tap on settings. On the next page tap on account, and from here you can access the toggle for restricted mode. Step 4. Finally, let's do it on the YouTube app. Within the app, tap on the 3 dots button, which is at the top right of the screen. Then tap on settings. Now tap on general. Here in the general options menu, you will find the toggle option for restricted mode. And that brings us to the end of this tutorial. You can now watch YouTube unrestricted on any device. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to Geek Muster for more tips and tricks videos. Take care. See you next time.